In Turkey, a massive wave struck the city, submerging power lines and cars underwater. Oh no, this isn't just an ordinary wave. It's a full-blown tsunami. Look at this snowplow train. It's like a massive, fiery dragon blazing its way across the tracks. A staggering 8.0 magnitude on the Richter scale. A powerful earthquake left behind a trail of devastation. The people are in a state of panic. Please protect everyone there. Oh, do you know what this phenomenon is? Leave a comment below and join the discussion.